Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will walk you through on how to unarchive Instagram story. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you archived a story on Instagram and want to share it to your story again, then open Instagram. I'll archive this story to show you. Now go to your profile. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right. Click on Archive. Scroll down to the archived story. Tap on the three dots below. Select Share to Story. You have successfully unarchived the story. That is it for today, and thank you for watching. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.